Hello, this is Ute from Utes-Herbal-Corner, and today I wanna make a video about question and answers from customers or clients, and I think it's maybe interesting for you. So I just got a couple of them for today. I have tons I want to share with you if you are interested. So I have a question here from Beth, and she's from Utah, and she's asking, I'm suffering from menopausal issues. Beth, I understand this is not easy if you're in the middle of the menopause. I'm glad I'm over it. But I know the issues they are coming up with. You cannot really sleep, you're sweating at night, you have the hot flashes during the day, and your estrogen is, everything that's going down with the menopause, which is the estrogen. You don't feel good for this. And as I said, I'm over it. And my little helper was black cohosh. I always say cohosh, and it's cohosh. Black cohosh. So this would be a benefit tincture for you, Beth, helping you getting over the menopause. May you want to think about it. As I said, it's called black cohosh, and it's a tincture. You just take it 1 to 3 times per day, and you feel the benefits from the herb, which is called black cohosh. And let me double check, it's made with glycerin, so there wouldn't be any alcohol in it. So Beth, I hope I answered your question. And if you have any additional question, feel free to send me another one. All right? So then I have an interesting one from Agnes. I hope I pronounce your name properly. She is from Sweden. And she said, I'm interested in some of your products from your website. Thank you, Agnes. But unfortunately, I cannot send any herbal products outside of the United States. And the reason is there are different rules and regulation in any other country. We have maybe herbs here you can use in the States legally, but they are not legal in your country, in Sweden. So I cannot, and I double-checked it, I cannot. And I know you talked to me and you said you would be interested in my migraine tincture, and I gave you the information about the ingredients. So may you find the herbs in your country, and you can go ahead and make your own tincture. We stay in contact, Agnes. Thank you. Another one, it's interesting. It's from Ashlyn from Kansas. And she said, I just burned myself while cooking in, is there any herbal cream? That's funny. I mean, no, it's not funny, because I don't know if you can see that. I just burned myself really, really bad on the pinky, which is hard to put a coverage or anything over it. But I used of course I used my own products. Plantain salve, and I put it over the burnt. Yeah, I even had a big blister, which was broken off yesterday. So now it's healing up. So if you have a burn and it's not a big burn, like on your fingers or hand, wherever, when you are cooking, may you try our plantain salve. I put it on there, and I had this accident on Friday, and yesterday it busted. I didn't put it on purpose, open it, because this is something you should not do, even if it's nasty, and you get a really big bubble there with water in it. I did not do it on purpose. It just busted, and now I'm sure it will stay with some kind of a scarf, or we will see. But this would be a pretty good helper for you using the plantain salve for your burn. If you hear the woof, that's my dog. Sorry, that's Clark. You know him from other videos. Next question, I thought it's very interesting, and Alex from Missouri, he was asking, he or she, I don't know, sorry about this. Alex said, do you have workshops in person or video lessons I can sign up for? We have workshop in person in planning, so we have to put things together, what I want to show or teach you in the workshops, like how do you make tinctures, or how do you make capsules, how you are grinding the herbs, how you dry the herbs, such things. I'm thinking about it, but it takes a time. Yes, I know I promised last year I will do this year. We just have February, so I have plenty time to do that, but I will definitely keep you updated. In the meantime, you know what this is? Delicious. In the meantime, please check out our YouTube videos on our YouTube channel. We have plenty enough of educational videos regarding special herbs or tinctures and how to use it, the benefits of it, and these are free for you. But I will definitely keep you all updated as soon I will plan my first workshop here in our shop, and I give you the time and the fee because I cannot do it for free, but it will be affordable. All right? So, next question is from Mary from Iowa. Hi, Mary. And she's asking, she said, I have a low blood pressure. What can I do? Interesting, because most of my clients, including myself, we have high blood pressure, but Mary is especially asking for her blood pressure because it's too low. So, Mary, what I have here for you would be rosemary tincture. And rosemary tincture is knowing to benefits or control too low blood pressure. It's a tincture. Let me double check. It's made with alcohol. And you all know rosemary from your kitchen as a spice. But this would be benefit to your low blood pressure, Mary. If you have any additional question, as always, get in touch with me or follow up. All right. So what I do have here, Carl from Nebraska. Hi, Carl. He said he has very bad acid reflux. I don't know if you just saw our video we recently updated on our YouTube channel. We have, let me get it more in the picture, we have heartburn capsule, and we also have heartburn tincture. The tinctures and the capsules are made of licorice roots, and they are known, and the benefits is known that they will help you with the nasty acid reflux. And from my private experience, my husband has really, really bad acid reflux because he had years and years ago a big operation, and he was taking all the medication the doctor prescribed him. And he don't want to take them, and he's taking now for a long, long time one of our own alternative medicine, and he's taking one pill in the morning and one pill at night before he goes to bed, and he is really, really healthy now. I mean, it's not 100%. He still has to be careful what he's eating or that he's taking the pill before he's eating, but it's a really, really big relief. And trust me, he had really, really bad acid reflux. So, one more sip. And then let's see for today. Oh, I guess I have to follow up with this one because this is more or less a video on his own. Jen from Iowa, she said, why is the word witch in your business name? So this is really, really a big thing I have to explain. But to answer your question right now, Jen, when you go back in the history, back to the 1700s, the ladies who started using herbs for healing purpose or using herbs for magic use, they were called witches. And as we all know, there were really, really bad things happened to these ladies because they burned them and they hung them. And so it's a really, really longer thing if I want to go in detail. But this is more or less the purpose on my business name. I call myself a herbal witch. So because I learned this working with all the herbs and the history from the herbs and the benefits of the herbs from my grandmother, father's sides. And she teaches me at this time, I'm 62, at this time we did not have any internet or any other sources I could learn. So I learned it face to face and hand to hand with my grandma. And later on, I studied herbalism in the UK, and I got my master diploma in the UK because I was born in Germany. I grew up in Germany, and I lived over 40 years. I think 40 years in Germany. And then we moved to Ireland. So, but to learn the story and the background about the herbs and where they really come from, who are the person they used it, and who are the persons they got killed for this, I'm going back to the witches. So this is the reason why I put the name witch in my Herbals Witch Corner. So, and I have not always positive reaction, mostly the elderly. They are interested in the products and the alternative medicine. But I had, at the farmer's market here in Plattsmouth, I had a lady, she was interested in the products, and then on all of my products, of course, there's the name Utes-Herbal-Corner, and by now everybody should know me, that this is my business. And she said, what is the name of your business? And I said, Utes-Herbal-Corner. And she was pulling up her eyes like, okay, may I come back? So maybe she should ask me why you call yourself Utes-Herbal-Corner. I can explain it. I'm not a person who is doing spells and such things. I'm a herbal witch. So, and I'm proud to be this, and that's why I put this witch word in my name of my business. I did it on purpose. All right. So these were a couple of question and answers from my customers or future customers. I just put a couple of them out, and I will go ahead and put some more together so you can hear and see the answers from my clients or future clients, what they have to ask and what the questions are. All right. So as always, stay safe, stay healthy. And if you have any additional question, give me a call, shoot me a message so we can talk about this. All right. So this was Ute from Ute's Herbal Witch Corner. Now you know why I have the name with the witch in it. And I wish you a happy rest of your day and see you soon for our next video on our YouTube channel. All right. Thank you. Bye.